Dear students, today we are going to discuss the play of William Shakespeare, All Well That Ends Well. It is supposed that it has been written in the year 1604 or 5. There are some important points you have to remember for your exam TGT, PGT, UGC, NET. One of the first of them, it has close affinity to measure for measure. अर्थात यह प्ले किसके समानता रखता है, मेजर फॉर मेजर से. सेकेंड वन, विच क्लासिफाइज इट इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ प्रॉब्लम प्ले. इट मीन्स द प्ले ऑल वेल दैट एंड्स वेल इज इन प्रॉब्लम प्ले कैटेगरी. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, द सोर्स ऑफ द प्ले इज वोकेशियोस डेकामरन. एंड there are some important characters or main characters of the play. We are discussing here main characters. One of them, Duke of Florence. Second one, King of France. King of France. Third one is Bertram, Count of Rosalyn. Next one is Leveche, a clown. Actually, as you have studied or as you know, Shakespeare has used clown in most of his plays. So here is also in All Well That Ends Well, who is the clown? Leveche. And next character is Helena. Further, we will see the summary of the play. Pay attention and see. Actually, in summary of the play, Bertram, the young Count of Rosalyn, on the death of his father, is summoned to the court of the King of France, leaving his mother with Helena. When Count, whose name is Bertram, he is called or summoned to the court of King France, and when he goes, he leaves his mother with whom? With Helena. Yes, and daughter of the famous physician Gerard de Narbonne. So, dear students, the king is sick of a disease said to be incurable. The king is sick and said to be incurable. That can't be incurable. So, Helena, who loves Bertram, goes to Paris and effects his cure by means of a prescription left by her father. It means his father was physician. He left some remedy or told her remedy to cure this disease. So she went there and she gives a good treatment by the medicine. Further, as a reward, she is allowed to choose her husband and name Bertram. When she is asked, with whom do you want to marry? She named Bertram, who reluctantly obeys the king's order to wed her. And Bertram is ready to marry with her. Pay attention. But under the influence of worthless braggart paroles, he at once takes service with until she can get the ring from his finger, which never shall come off. It means the ring which he has got shall never put off. And has a child by him, she may not call him husband. If she has no ring in her finger, she will not call him husband. Helena, passing through Florence on a pilgrimage. Do you know pilgrimage? To go a religious place. Finds Bertram courting Diana. When she goes on pilgrimage, she finds that her husband, he is wedding to Diana, the daughter of her hostess there. Disclosing herself as his wife to them, she obtains permission to replace Dinah at midnight. When she comes to know this secret, she said to her, and she replaced herself with the place of Dinah. Assignation with Bartram, having that day caused him to be informed that Helena is dead, and it is supposed that on that day Helena is dead. Him to be informed that Helena is dead, thereby she obtains from Bartram his ring. What he demands? Where is his ring? Further, and gives him one that the king had given her. And further, presents the ring given by king at the time of reward, when she treated the king. Bartram returns to his mother's house, where the king is no visitor. The king sees on Bartram's finger the ring that he had given Helena. The ring was given to Helena, but now the king sees the ring in the finger of Bartram. Suspects Bartram of having destroyed her, and at this king thought that he had destroyed too the girl. So, and demands an explanation on pain of death. Helena herself now appears, explains what has passed, and claims that the conditions named in Bartram's letter have been fulfilled. Further, Bartram, filled with remorse. Do you know remorse? पश्चाताप. remorse, पश्चाताप. जब उसे ये घटना पूरी बताते हैं, किंग के वहां पर जाकर के वो पूरी घटना को बताती है कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ और ये वाला पत्र है, ये इस तरीके से उससे डायना से शादी कर रहा था, मैंने उसका स्थान बदल लिया, और जब हेलेना डायना का प्लेस चेंज करके उसके स्थान पर, और जब वो मांगती है तो उसे रिंग दे देती है, तो जब राजा देखता है तो उसको एक्सप्लेनेशन मांगता है। इस पे हेलेना भी वहां कोर्ट में पहुंच जाती है और पूरी बात बताती है। तो जब ये पता चलता है तो बार्ट्रम पश्चाताप से भर उठता है। क्लियर? एक्सेप्ट्स हर एज हिज वाइफ एंड देन ही एक्सेप्ट्स द सबप्लॉट कंसर्निंग द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ पेरोल्स। टीजीटी पीजीटी में आपने बार बार पढ़ा होगा पेरोल अपीयर्स इन। पेरोल किसमें आता है? ऑल वेल दैट एंड्स वेल। क्लियर? हैज बीन फेल्ट बाई some readers including Charles I to dominate the play, and in performance it has often famous lines of the play। किस प्ले को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम डियर स्टूडेंट्स? ऑल वेल दैट एंड्स वेल। फर्स्ट कोटेशन इज लव ऑल ट्रस्ट अ फ्यू डू रॉन्ग टू नन। प्यार सबसे करो, विश्वास कुछ पे करो, डू रॉन्ग टू नन, गलत किसी के साथ मत करो। ये किस में आया है? एक्ट फर्स्ट सीन फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट वन, ये कहा किसने है? काउंटेस ऑफ रोजालिन ने कहा है। किसमें क्या है? गिविंग एडवाइस अबाउट लव। सेकंड कोटेशन, ये फर्स्ट हो गई, सेकंड देखेंगे। अ यंग मैन मैरिड इज अ मैन दैट्स मैरिड। क्या है? यंग मैन मैरिड इज अ मैन दैट्स मैरिड। एक युवक व्यक्ति जो शादीशुदा है वो अपने शादी करता है या शादी के लिए तैयार रहता है, इसे ऐसा कहा है। पेरोल्स इन एक्ट सेकंड सीन सेकंड। नेक्स्ट कोटेशन इंपोर्टेंट कोटेशन है, फर्स्ट और ये थर्ड वाली। माई फ्रेंड्स व पुअर बट ऑनेस्ट। मेरी मित्र कैसी थी? गरीब, लेकिन कैसी थी? ईमानदार। ये किसने कहा है? हेलेना ने, एक्ट फर्स्ट सीन सेकंड में। नेक्स्ट कोटेशन इज आ रेमेडी ऑफ इन आरसेल्व्स। हमारी दवा खुद में ही है। डू लाई, झूठ बोलो, विच वी एस्क्राइब टू हेवन, जिससे हम स्वर्ग पाना चाहते हैं, स्वर्ग को जाना चाहते हैं। हेलेना in act first, scene first. Praising what is lost makes the remembrance dear. This speech is spoken by Helena in act 5th, scene 3rd. Next or last quotation of this play. No legacy is as rich as honesty. कोई उत्तराधिकार, लेगेसी होती है उत्तराधिकार, कोई उत्तराधिकार उतना समृद्ध नहीं, धनी नहीं, जितनी क्या होती है ऑनेस्टी. ये मैरियाना इन एक्ट 3rd, सीन 2nd. क्लियर? मिलते हैं अगले प्ले में. अतः अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. धन्यवाद.